Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe your home. I am also fine, alhamdulillah. So, student, this is your maths class. I have received 4 students' copies, and I saw the copy. I got so sorry for all the students. मुझे बहुत अफसोस हुआ कॉपी देखकर कि बेटा आप लोगों ने किसी ने काम कंप्लीट नहीं किया हुआ है, और जो जिन्होंने थोड़ा बहुत करने की कोशिश की है वो भी इन्होंने सही तरीके से काम कंप्लीट नहीं किया हुआ है। इतनी राइटिंग बुरी, इतना काम अनटाइडी, इस तरह तो आप लोग काम नहीं करते। आप लोग तो बहुत अच्छे तरीके से काम करते हैं, बहुत अच्छा काम करते हैं। तो इस तरह की कॉपीज क्यों आई मेरे पास बेटा? मुझे तो नीट एंड टाइडी काम चाहिए, इस तरह का काम नहीं चाहिए बेटा। जब आप पढ़ने बैठ रहे हैं सही तरीके से बैठे, सही तरीके से पढ़े, सही काम करें, डेट डे मेंशन सही करें, स्पेलिंग्स पर ध्यान दें। इतना अनटाइडी, राइटिंग इतनी बुरी। राइटिंग तो आपको अच्छी करनी चाहिए। मैं शुरू दिन से कह रही हूँ, चाहे ऑनलाइन क्लासेस हो रही हैं तो मैं आपको शुरू दिन से कह रही हूँ, प्लीज कीप योर राइटिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू योर राइटिंग सीरीज एंड कीप इट क्लीन, नीट एंड टाइडी। I really got disappointed by this. Please complete your work on the time. I have just mentioned that complete your work. If you have not completed your work, you just watch the videos again and please complete your work. We are doing revision now. If you will not do the revision, agar aap revision nahi karenge, then you will face so much difficulty during the papers. If schools are closed, it doesn't mean that you will not do your any work. Please do complete your work. And in a clean and correct manner. Okay. Yesterday I have given this work. We have done the revision of unit measurement and its topic length. Okay. I have given you this work. Would use meter and centimeter. I have given you draw straight lines. I have given you that how many centimeter in meter, and I have given you 2 sums to complete this. Okay. So I have told you that we will do today, we will start the topic weight. Okay, we will start the topic weight. Today we are going to do the revision of weight. So students, if I hold something, how can I measure that this is heavy or this is light? Means if I am holding a marker in one hand and I am holding a pencil in one hand, then how can I feel that which hand is heavier? If one hand goes downside and I feel that it is heavier, then it means it has more weight than pencil. Okay, it has more weight, marker has more weight than the pencil. So to measure weight, what we will do, we use we are using 2 units of weight, kilogram and gram. Okay, yesterday what we have done length. I am discussing here, you don't have to write in your copy. मैं यहाँ पर just आपको explain कर रही हूँ, आपको copies में नहीं लिखना है ये, ठीक है? weight में आप क्या करेंगे? What we will use kilogram, kg and gram. इसको हम करेंगे डोनेट केजी से और इसको हम ग्राम से। बेटा किसी ने भी अगर आप काम कर रहे हैं, आप एक इमेज लेकर आप व्हाट्सएप पर सेंड कर दें कि ये इमेज मैंने काम कंप्लीट किया। मुझे अभी तक किसी की एक भी इमेज नहीं आई। एक भी इमेज नहीं आई कि भाई मुझे पता चल सके कि आप लोग काम कर रहे हैं। अभी मेरे पास चार स्टूडेंट्स की कॉपीज आए, उनमें भी मुझे काम देकर बहुत हुआ। मैंने कहा बच्चे काम सही तरीके से नहीं कर रहे, प्लीज सही तरीके से काम करें, स्पेलिंग्स और इसकी ख्याल रखें, ठीक है। उर्दू में भी नुक्ते और खानों का। चलें अभी आगे इंशाल्लाह अच्छा काम करेंगे, मुझे यकीन है इंशाल्लाह। सो स्टूडेंट्स, किलोग्राम और ग्राम। 1 किलोग्राम में there are 1000 gram in 1 kilogram. I have told you before also during the class that 1 kg has 1000 gram. As we have learned that 1 meter has 100 centimeter, in the same way 1 kg has 1000 grams. Okay. Mostly we buy things in kilograms, grocery or vegetables, everything we mostly buy in 1 kg to forwards or half kg. Half kg means 500 grams. We use gram when we want to buy a small quantities, okay, or small amounts of something. And we use kilogram for a heavy or heavy things or larger quantity. When you hold different things in your hand, one is heavy and one is lighter, you will feel by yourself by its weight. Okay. So students, now we have understand this, that weight we use kilogram, gram for small quantities and kilogram for largest quantity. In any more weight, and 1 kilogram has 1000 gram. You all have to learn this. Okay, okay, there are 1000 grams in 1 kilogram. In the same way, take out your maths copy. Okay, students, take out your maths copy. Then mention the date and date. What day is today? Today is Wednesday. What day is today? Today is Wednesday. And we will mention here revision work, or you can write RW. And what day is today? Date is 14th of Shawwal. Please you keep your writing according your writing series. 26th of May 2021. Okay. Now the first thing what we will do, will you use, what you will use? Okay. Will you use a kg or a gram to weigh this? To weigh these. Okay. Number A is a man. A man. Number B is a pen. A caterpillar. Number D, a bag of potatoes. Number E1 is a packet of biscuits. There are 5 given, okay? You have to tell me or you have to write here that how can we weigh these things. A man, you can assume it that it will be not in gram, it weight will be uh, more than kg means 40 kg, 50 kg, 60 kg. So it will be in kg. A pan, a caterpillar, a bag of potatoes, a pack of biscuit. Please read it properly and try to do by yourself. Okay. The next thing is how many grams in given kilograms. Okay. Number 1, 9 kg. Number 2, 5 kg. Number 3, 7 kg. And number 4, 1 kg. 9 kg, 5 kg, 7 kg and 1 kg. Okay. Draw a line here. I will solve one for you. Okay. That will become easier for you. I will not solve this because you can do it easily. I will help you to do this, then you can solve the remaining ones. I have told you that there are 1000 grams in 1 kg. Now you will write 9, then you will write sign of multiplication, then 1000. You will multiply the number of given kg with the number 1000 to get the answer in gram. Then you will write 9000. You have to mention the unit also. If you will not mention the unit, your number will be deducted. Okay. Now write the question, beta. On the second page, mention the date and day. Okay. Solve this. Solve these. Solve these. Please mention the date and day. Don't let it go like this, okay? much does her shopping bag weigh? भी अगर चेक कर रहे हो तो प्लीज क्वेश्चन लिखकर मुझे नहीं सेंड करिएगा, प्लीज उसका आंसर भी सॉल्व कर मुझे सेंड करिएगा, बिकॉज दिस इज योर रिवीजन वर्क. ओके, दिस इज योर रिवीजन वर्क, यू हैव टू डू इट बाय योरसेल्फ. अभी आपको इसमें क्या करना है, यहाँ पर मदर ने बाइस कर लिए 200 ग्राम ऑफ बटर, 520 ग्राम ऑफ शुगर और 100 ग्राम ऑफ नट्स. ओके, हाउ मच डज हर शॉपिंग बैग वे, यानी इसकी शॉपिंग बैग का वजन कितना हुआ. तो आप सॉल्यूशन में लिखेंगे सबसे पहले बटर, शुगर, नट्स, और ये है टोटल वेट ऑफ शॉपिंग बैग. ये इस तरह पूरा सॉल्व करना है, यानी इसका सॉल्यूशन रिटन फॉर्म में इसको देखते हुए लिखना है. ठीक है, आप लिख सकते हैं वेट ऑफ बटर, वेट ऑफ शुगर, वेट ऑफ नट्स. नाउ फिर टोटल वेट ऑफ शॉपिंग बैग. ओके, दिस वाज द फर्स्ट एंड द सेकंड वन. Sahir weighs 4 gram, 214 gram. How much heavier is Anis than Sahir? बेटा अनीस का वेट दिया गया है 4 किलोग्राम और 800 ग्राम, और साहिर का वे है 4 किलोग्राम तो है, लेकिन इसके साथ 214 ग्राम है, यानी ये इससे कम है. अनीस से साहिर कम है, तो हमें ये बताना है यह कितना हेवी है अनीस से, हाँ, साहिर से. तो हम क्या करेंगे, इसके वेट से, अनीस के वेट से इसके वेट को माइनस कर देंगे, तो हमें आंसर मिल जाएगा कि वो इससे कितना हेवी है. यानी एक एडिशन का दिया हुआ है, एक सब्ट्रैक्शन का दिया हुआ है. आपको खुद को भी पढ़कर समझ जाने आना चाहिए. यू शुड नो दैट विच सम इज ऑफ एडिशन एंड विच सम ऑफ is of subtraction. If you know that, then you can easily solve it by yourself. You have to write the data solution in the written form also, that weight of butter. I am telling you again and again. You have to write the data which we have done in the copy also. Okay, in the last classes when you were coming to the school, we have done the word problems of the weight. In the same way, you have to solve these two word problem also. Okay, you have to write the data also. Okay, got it, students? What I have given you today, I have given this exercise, that how you will measure in kilogram and gram. Then I have given you that how many grams in 1 kilogram, and I have given you two sums of two word problem sums. You have to solve it by yourself. You can take the help of your elder, but try to solve it by yourself. Okay, students, today we have what we have done. Yes, we have done the topic of weight. Yesterday we have done the topic of length. Now, inshallah, tomorrow we will do the topic of capacity. Okay, students, get it? Any problem? If you are facing any problem, I am asking you to ask me in the group. I will guide you as I can. Okay? Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.